You've heard of condom dispensers, tampon dispensers, and even cigarette dispensers in public restrooms. But during your happy hour bathroom break, would you take a pregnancy test?
Well, believe it or not, one bar in Minnesota actually installed a pregnancy test dispenser in the women's restroom. And I know everyone out there is wondering, why in the world would you do this? Well, to find out why, and there is a reason, we invited the pub owner, Tom, to join us on the phone today. So, Tom, let me first ask you, how long have these dispensers been in place?
They've only been around for a little over a month.
And explain to everyone why you did this.
Well, like many people, I first thought it was a very strange idea, but quickly came to the realization how this could do some good. It's about making a difference with regards to a 100% preventable problem called fetal alcohol syndrome.
You're absolutely right. Fetal alcohol syndrome is 100% preventable. And I get women asking me every day, my pregnant patients, can I just drink a little bit? How much can I drink? And I'm telling my little mamas right now, my little mamas to be, there is no safe amount of alcohol during pregnancy, no safe time to drink alcohol during pregnancy, no safe kind of alcohol to drink during pregnancy. That's because it can cause so many problems. When you drink, your baby drinks. And what happens is, we have an animation to show you, is that when you drink, the alcohol goes into your bloodstream. That alcohol actually passes the placental barrier and goes into the baby. Now, the concentration that actually gets into the baby is much higher than is in the mother, so it stays there longer at a higher concentration. This causes a decreased amount of nutrients and oxygen to get to the baby, which causes a whole slew of other problems. Now, not just in the baby, but in the mother. You can have stillbirth, you can have miscarriage, you can have preterm delivery, then you can also have problems with the baby that range from a whole spectrum, and that's why it's also sometimes called fetal alcohol spectral disorder. And this can range from mental development, mental retardation, delayed development, abnormalities, so many things.
And these problems, they last a lifetime for the baby. You know,
Yes.
facial abnormalities, learning disorders, vision problems, a lot of problems like that. And it's a real shame because between 5,000 and 12,000 babies are born with this every year. And unlike some adult diseases like heart disease, strokes, it's oftentimes a lifestyle choice that that person made. This baby didn't choose that at all. It's not the baby's fault at all, and it's so heartbreaking for me to see that happen.
And that's why, Tom, you're doing what you're doing,
That
because
is.
a lot of drinking occurs before women even know they're pregnant.
Yes.
That's when it has its most deleterious effects. So, Tom, actually, thank you for sharing this
Kudos
with us.
to
We
you.
hope your program goes
Yes.
very well.